Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. If you are searching out good nice drones on an ideal budget, and if its budget is under $50, then you definitely are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the drones considering the quality, sturdiness, call for, consumer rating, and order and many others. I hope you like my drone reviews and also you get the pleasant first-rate drone you need. You could request that the video be watched in full as the video is bigger. All the hyperlinks of the drones are in the description under the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In number 5, the best drone is TD M69 FPV drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 5 on my list. This drone has all the new technology that makes it easy to operate. It is a masterful balance of portability, price, image quality, and convenience. Its technical specifications are astonishing. About 90 minutes charging time, about 13 to 15 minutes flight time, about 80-meter remote distance, 3.7 volt, 1000 mAh LiPo battery. It provides altitude hold, gravity sensor mode, speed modes, GPS positioning mode, optical follow mode, 4K or 1080 pixel HD camera, and 2-megapixel wide-angle camera, which makes operation much easier and safer for beginners. This is a decent drone overall and suitable for everyone. Already this drone price is $29.47. Overall I have been highly impressed with the build, flight time, and comfort controlling, especially considering its budget price. This drone has some standard packaging. This drone has many extraordinary functions, which is forward and backward, up and down option, left-right side fly, and left-right turning option. Hovering, 1 key takeoff and landing, headless mode, altitude hold, 1 key return, Wi-Fi control, photo, and video option. The Wi-Fi control to realize real-time transmission for live video by pairing the mobile app to the drone Wi-Fi. It has 1 key taking off and landing system, which makes the operation more convenient, and it is very suitable for novice operation. This drone has 4K or 1080 pixel HD cameras and 2-megapixel wide-angle camera can capture and record every beautiful and unforgettable moment. Its altitude hold function provide convenient operation and stable flight, especially for beginners. This drone has a custom flight system. Under the control of the mobile phone, open trajectory flight. On the screen to draw the trajectory, the drone will autopilot as per the given trajectory. In at 4th place, the best drone is GD89 Global Drone. The GD89 is a smart quadcopter that serves beginners as well as experienced users alike. However, its most notable feature is the camera. This is the perfect solution for anyone that wants a high-quality aerial camera to capture their outdoor activities. First, it is affordable. Considering all the features that it comes with, we can say the price is a real steal. Now, this price is $33.98. However, this drone has some outstanding features are. This drone has 1 key takeoff and landing button. Make the drone start or land steadily by press the button. Take control quickly and easily. This drone has advanced with 1080 pixel HD camera, helps to capture clearly photos and more stable videos. Wi-Fi camera provides you faster and clearer image transmission. Simply make specific gestures and the drone can take photos and videos automatically, making more fun while playing. The drone has dual position hover, which offers altitude hold and optical flow to remain stably, which makes the drone more easily to control and capture high-definition photos or videos. By its real-time transmission system, enjoy a live video and snap wonderful photos as you fly and watch the view from the air, all directly from your mobile device with the Wi-Fi via app. Its 3D flips and rolls perform impressive stunts for your friends and family to enjoy. The flip feature of this drone means it can roll forward, backward, left, and right at the touch of a button. This drone has a trajectory flight system. You can simply draw a path on the screen and the quadcopter will fly in that direction as you draw. This feature makes it extremely easy for beginners to start flying and fun for experienced drone users as well. In number 3, the best drone is GDU High Great Mark 4K drone. This drone is a good beginner drone. It is small, light, foldable, and portable. It has a lot of features that you would like to see on a beginner drone. It has an altitude hold to help stabilize it. It has multiple speeds. It is definitely smaller and lighter and a totally different type of drone than the fully featured Mavic. So, the beginner can adjust their skill level. Recently this drone prices $40.93. There are some specific features of this drone is. Mark's compact body can be easily grasped by the embracing foldable design. Well-designed propeller storage jig allows the body to be more neat and tidy, and even if it is placed in a pocket or handbag, it will not be intertwined with other items. Advanced VO technology is an innovative positioning way. The VO technology can replace the traditional optical flow in GPS positioning mode and can easily achieve precise and stable indoor and outdoor hovering. VO technology enables Mark to freely shuttle between indoors and outdoor. Not limited to the GPS signal. This drone has a powerful 8.7-volt, 1300 mAh powerful battery with power switch and a power indicator for better control of drones. This powerful battery serves about 2 hours charging time, about 18 to 20 mins maximum flying time. Mark is equipped with a 13-megapixel camera. Through the optimization both on the structure and image stabilization algorithm, Mark has a steady and smooth HD 1080 pixel video after stabilization and 4K video before stabilization. And number 2, the best drone is SG700D 4K drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at the number 2 on my list. This $45 drone is an excellent choice for beginners. It is small and portable, but can still rub shoulders with more expensive quadcopters you will find in the market today. It is so much fun to fly. You can make horizontal rotations and vertical flips without having problems. If you need to take precise images or videos, this drone will make it really easy because it can steadily hover at a spot. Now, this drone prices $45.58. The main feature of this drone is this drone has a fixed hover function, 3D roll function, fine-tuning, headless mode, speed adjustment function, 1-button takeoff and landing function, 1-button return, light flow, double shot switching function, app control, photo recording, trajectory flight function, and many more. The optical flow sensor HD dual camera can also take pictures and record photos, just one key switch to get a downward view. And the wide-angle HD camera capturing farther scenery using the application's PTZ function. You can move the screen angle up, down, left, and right. This drone has a 3.7-volt 1600 mAh battery and 20 minutes flight duration. Compact body design, rich intelligent functions, and powerful flight performance, and without sacrificing and endurance. SG700D can fly for 9 minutes when fully charged. The SG700 is equipped with a wide-angle camera is designed for aerial photography, ensuring a compact design while providing powerful detail performance. You can also shoot with just one gesture, whether you are a professional photographer or not. The SG700D can take great pictures for you. The best drone is JJRCF69 FPV-RC drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 1 on my list. The new compact F69 Explorer drone is compact and portable. It has advanced features for a small drone. It features a GPS positioning system for GPS position hold, return to home functionality, and other smart flight modes. It integrates a 1080 pixel HD camera, which transmits real-time HD videos and photos directly to a smartphone via the app. Recently this drone prices $42.72. This drone has some main features such as this drone equipped with Wi-Fi function, can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have 2 cameras that can be chosen. With 480 pixels and 1080 pixels, a wide-angle camera gives a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. This drone has a trajectory flight system. Under the control of the mobile phone, you can draw the trajectory, and then the drone can flight according to it. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. It has 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. And 4-channel which can do ascend, descent, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly, and rolling 360 degrees. This drone has a 6-axis gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. It has a 2-level flight speed to switch, which can make more fun with the flying. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.